So whenever a mass carry forward did not happen, and the way the reading view gets created is very easier on Flutter now when compared to FDZ. In case of FDZ, user has to open the object and enter some data to trigger the calculation and validation formula, then it will get auto synced. But in case of Flutter, when no mass carry forward is done, if you can see, these are all the objects. There are no data for current date except for 3 tanks. So when I click on any of the attribute, any of the object, you can see the pull carry forward got triggered, the validation has run, and the calculation got triggered. So user need not to do anything, or if at all he don't want to change any data, he can simply visit it and swipe to get the reading to get synced. While in case of FDZ, if there is no data available for the day, so user will get this screen and user has to manually enter something to trigger the carry forward. But in case of Flutter, it is not the case. And also another important difference we have is, in case of FDZ, the run tickets, events, etc. will open as a separate screen. If you can see, I clicked on tickets button, and later I will click on this plus icon and I will get it as a screen. If I don't want to enter anything, or if I want to cancel the creation, I have to click on cancel. OK button, I have to say yes, then I will land here, then I will go back. In case of Flutter, when you click on tickets, it will open like this, just like the FDZ in Concho. But when I click on plus tickets, it will open as a pop-up. Actually, it's not like a separate reading view. You can enter the data in between. You can actually swipe down to cancel the creation, or when you open something and when you click, you can have to click a cross button to cancel the same. This is the one major difference in how the different reading views can be created. For daily reading, mass carry forward is one way. On the other way, just by visiting itself, pull carry forward will trigger and data will be loaded without any manual interaction. And tickets and seals, you can see when I clicked on seals, it's giving me the option. When I click on BSW and click on plus icon, this will show up as a pop-up instead of a separate screen. User can simply swipe down to cancel the update or create.